Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make chocolate ice cream. That's right, it's going to be eggless. You don't require an ice cream maker machine and just 3 ingredients does the job. How cool is that? So without any further ado, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making creamy, delicious chocolate ice cream, which is to die for. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you get notification each time I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. So for this recipe, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I would recommend that you guys use a good quality cocoa powder. 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk, which could be Milkmaid or Mithai Made. 250 grams of fresh cream. You can use homemade cream, but make sure that it's full fat. And 2 tablespoons of choco chips or chocolate chips. This is totally optional, guys, so if you don't have it, you can't find it, it's still okay. You can still make our ice cream. Okay guys, to make our ice cream, the very first step is to make whipped cream out of this fresh cream. So whenever you get this Tetra Pak, make sure you keep it in a standing position in the fridge at least 12 hours prior to making whipped cream. Then right before you're going to make it, just make a slit like that and then keep it in the freezer for 20 minutes so that your cream over here becomes really nice and firm. And now let's quickly remove it without shaking it in a bowl. So guys, I'm just taking the top part of this cream and you see this watery part? Do you see it? See, there's like a lot of liquidy, watery part in here. Yeah? Do not take that, otherwise your whipped cream won't form into nice firm peaks. And now let's quickly get started, and using a electric hand blender, I'm going to keep whisking it. Also guys, the bowl in which I'm making my whipped cream, I had kept this bowl also in the freezer for the past half an hour. Okay guys, so our whipped cream is ready. The way that you can tell that your whipped cream is ready is when you're done whipping the cream, you see these peaks, they're standing up. So when your peaks are standing up, that means your whipped cream is ready. And also what you can do is, like, you take your bowl with whipped cream here like this and turn it upside down, and if it does not fall, that means that your whipped cream is all nicely set. Now also guys, if you're living in an area like how I am, where it's extremely hot, then take some ice cubes in a big vessel and then put your bowl over here like this, so that your cream can get whipped and it doesn't heat up while you are whipping it. So our whipped cream is ready. So now let's move on to our next stage. So guys, to our whipped cream, I'm going to add about half of this Mithai Made. This is about 400 grams, so we just need about 200 grams of the Mithai Made, and our cocoa powder. So I'm just going to add all of that. And then again use our machine to whip it all in. Oops. Oh wow, just look at it. Our mix is looking really amazing. And guys, I'm going to add some of these chocolate chips in here. And then just simply fold them in. And now guys, it's time for us to transfer it in a container. Look at the texture, it's like so creamy and just absolutely wonderful. Amazing texture. And now I'm just going to sprinkle some choco chips on top. And looks like I have some more to fill it in the other box. So let's close this first. Make sure that your container is airtight, guys. And now I'm going to freeze it for the next 7 to 8 hours or overnight. And I will see you back in 7 to 8 hours. So guys, it's been 12 hours and let's look at our ice cream. Amazing. I absolutely cannot wait. I am going to remove it. Oh my god, look at it. Just look at it. So nice and creamy. Like just looking at it, you can tell that it has come out nice and creamy. God. And you saw how easy it was to make this ice cream. I know if you make it, all the kids in your house, your husband, your boyfriend, they are absolutely going to love it. You will become the star of the kitchen. And now I'm just going to drizzle some chocolate chips over here. Oops. And tad bit of chocolate sauce. Extra chocolate never hurt anyone, right guys? So guys, you see how creamy the texture of this chocolate ice cream has turned out to be, and I absolutely cannot resist it. I'm sure you also won't be able to resist it. Waiting 12 hours was enough. So now I'm digging in. Velvet. It's like chocolatey velvet. Do give it a try. I'm telling you, definitely don't miss out on this recipe. Make it this summer. Make it this weekend. Serve it to your friends and family. I'm sure they're going to be so super duper proud of you. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Do it right now. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. And now let me just concentrate, focus on my chocolate ice cream. So I'm just going to dive right back in.